Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in Quran studies today, I'm going to be starting Surah Al-Infitar. I already did Surah Takbir before, so I'm going to skip that and continue with this surah, which comes next. So let me start with the introduction of this surah. The name of the surah is taken from the word in the first ayah in Fatarat. Time of revelation is that the topics discussed in surah are similar to those in Surah Takbir. So both of these surahs were revealed in the Makki period. So today I'm going to be doing the first 5 ayahs. So let's get started. The first ayah is a sama'un fatarat. This means that when the sky splits open. Infatarat means is cleft asunder or split open in easy words. So the events of Judgment Day are discussed in this surah, and the first thing mentioned is when the sky will split open. Allah only knows what that will be and how that will be, but all we know is that the sky is going to be split open. Wa izal kawakibun tasarat, and this is also the same thing, almost the same, which was said in Surah At-Takwir, which was wa izan nujumun kadarat, which meant that the stars fall down. So over here the similar thing is said wa izal kawakibun tasarat, and it means that and when the stars fall down. So let's see the word meanings here. Al-Kawakib is another word for the stars. Najm is also used for stars, and Tasarat means scatter. So the falling down of the stars was also mentioned in the previous surah, and I just discuss that. So this was the second ayah. Now let's move on to the third ayah. The stars are going to fall down, and then Va'izal biharu fujirat, and it's also similar to the previous surah, but it says that and when the seas burst forth, fujirat means and made to gush forth, and as I discussed previously that there's going to be big earthquakes or quakes on the Judgment Day. So probably the all the core of the earth that's going to come up and boil the seas. So that's just a thought, but like it seems like that's what's going to happen. Allah knows best. So when the seas burst forth, and finally moving on to the next ayah. Ba'izal kuburu bu'sirat. So this is interesting. When the graves spill out, al kubur is covered like graves. Bu'sirat means overturned. So the graves old and new will all be overturned. You know, the people from Adam, Prophet Adam time, from that and all those deepest graves, they will be overturned, and all the people that are ever buried in this earth, the earth is going to spill them out, all the burdens. This is also, I think, an ayah is also about this in Surah Zilzal. I don't remember the exact ayah, but something like this. So the earth is going to spill out all its burdens. And the last ayah for today is alimat nafsum ma qaddamat wa akharat, and it means that then each soul will know what it has sent forth or left behind. Alimat means will know, kaddamat it has sent forth, wa akharat means left behind. So every person will know after telling all the things that are going to be happening on Judgment Day. Allah tells us that every soul, every person will come to know what it has sent forth for this hereafter, for the new life that's going to begin. So let's just revise these ayahs real quick. Is a sama'un fatarat. So when the sky is going to be split open. Baizal kawakibun tasarat, and the stars are going to fall down. Baizal biharu fujirat, and the seas are going to boil. Baizal kuburu busirat, and the graves are going to be overturned. Alimat nafsu ma qaddamat wa akharat. Every person will know what it has sent forth or left behind. So these ayahs are so easy. They're so short, and it's very easy to memorize these ayahs. And you know, we are like, these are the blessed days of Zulhijjah, so might as well start memorizing the Quran with an intention that we want to memorize. I know it's hard for but like if we spend like little bit time, like 10 minutes every day to memorize one ayah, then I think slowly and gradually we can memorize a major part of it and read it in the Quran. And this 30th para, these earlier Makkan surahs, they are so beautiful. They have such short ayahs, and if we know the translation of these ayahs, it's really easy to memorize them. So I'm also going to start memorizing this surah today, inshallah, and I'll just hope that anyone who's watching this video, they can also, like, you know, make an effort to start memorizing this. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, I'll continue further tomorrow. Fi amanallah.